In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money online with MoneyGram. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a transfer, check the fees and exchange rate, choose how to pay, and send funds securely to your recipient. First, open a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Any modern browser like Chrome or Safari works fine. In the address bar, type MoneyGram.com and head to the official MoneyGram website. It's always a good idea to confirm you're on the real site by checking for the secure padlock in the address bar. Once you're on the home page, click the Login button. Enter the email address and password associated with your account, then select Login to access your dashboard. If you don't have an account yet, choose the option to sign up and create one before moving on. Next, enter your transfer details, type in the amount you want to send and select the destination country. This tells MoneyGram which currency is involved and helps calculate the cost and delivery options. Double check the country and amount to avoid any fixes later. Now click Estimate Fee. Take a moment to review the currency conversion, the transfer fees, and the estimated delivery time. Exchange rates change frequently, so note the rate you're getting today and compare the delivery times to pick what fits your needs. Choose your payment method. You can typically pay with a debit card, a credit card, or by selecting cash at location. Card payments are convenient and often move faster, though your card issuer may charge additional fees. If you select cash at location, you'll get instructions to pay in person before the transfer can proceed. Decide how your recipient will receive the money. You can send it directly to a bank account or set it up for cash pickup. Bank deposits are convenient when your recipient prefers funds in their account, while cash pickup is great if they want to collect money at a nearby location. If you're sending to a bank account, select the bank option shown, either all banks or a specific bank if available. If you have a promo or coupon code, enter it now and click apply. Make sure the discount updates before you move forward. When you're ready, click Get Started. Follow the on-screen steps to complete your payment. You'll be prompted to provide accurate recipient details and your payment information. Before you finalize, carefully review every detail. Confirm the amount, fees, destination country, delivery method, and payment method. Then submit the payment. Your transfer is on its way, and the recipient will receive the money according to the method and time frame you selected.